In this video, I'll show you how to watch Netflix USA from anywhere and access American Netflix from any country. If you've ever noticed that Netflix looks different when you travel or when you're outside the US, that's because Netflix uses location-based libraries. Many of the most popular US shows and movies are locked to American Netflix only. The easiest and most reliable way to unlock the US Netflix library from anywhere in the world is by using a VPN. Before we start, there's a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. It's fast, secure, and one of the most consistent VPNs for streaming American Netflix. First, download and install NordVPN on the device you want to watch Netflix on. This can be your smartphone, laptop, desktop computer, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device. Once the app is installed, open NordVPN and sign into your account. When you're logged in, you'll see a world map along with a full list of available countries inside the app. From the country list, find the United States, or simply use the search bar to quickly locate it. Select the United States, and tap or click on Connect. Once the connection is established, your IP address will appear as if you're located in the US, even though you're physically in another country. This is what allows Netflix to show you the American library. Before opening Netflix, go into the NordVPN settings and switch the VPN protocol to NordLynx. NordLynx is designed for high-speed connections and is ideal for streaming, helping reduce buffering and improve video quality, especially when watching in HD or 4K. After switching protocols, make sure you're still connected to a US server. Now open the Netflix app or visit the Netflix website. Netflix will automatically refresh and load the US Netflix catalog. You'll now have access to American exclusive movies, TV shows, and categories that aren't available in other regions. You can search for specific US-only titles or browse normally like you would if you were actually in the United States. If the US Netflix library doesn't show up immediately, fully close the Netflix app and reopen it, or refresh the page if you're using a browser. If a specific show is still missing, disconnect from your current US server and connect to another US server within NordVPN. Sometimes one server works better than another, and NordVPN gives you multiple US servers to choose from. That's exactly how to watch Netflix USA from anywhere and access American Netflix from any country. Just install NordVPN, connect to a United States server, switch to NordLynx for the best streaming performance, and enjoy the full US Netflix library no matter where you are. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and unlock American Netflix easily.